Hi, welcome back to YouTube channel. So we will learn the step-by-step process of obtaining your visible account number and transfer pin. So in this informative video, we will discover the necessary steps to access the important information easily and securely. So let's begin. First, we have to get no account number. So here are the simple method we have to using an app. So to find a visible account number, you have to follow this step. First, you have to log into this app in your device. Then navigate to the account section. In account section we have to tap on this privacy and security, so you have to find there in this section privacy, security, data and privacy portal. So you have to click on it, then choose account and id where your account number will be displayed. So here are the second method from a bill to account number. Your account number can found on the top right corner of your bill in your account online. So now, talking about a PIN, the PIN is typically the last four digit of your phone number. However, the default PIN is 1234. If you need the assistance or cannot locate this number, so you can easily call this number 188 944 9400. And now get your transfer PIN. So here are the step also for an online step. Then you have to log into their visible account online. After login, you have to click on the profile section. Then here option called the port out pin request via email. So to obtain your port out pin, so check your email or text message to receive port out pin, account number and a phone number. So this link we will provide you in a description box, so you can easily go through this link and get your account number, pin as well as transfer pin. First you have to simply log in there with the credential. Now also, here are the steps for an app to get your transfer. First, open your Visible app on your device, then go into account section, and here are also option called a port of pin request via email. So you have to click on this, then look for an email or text message that include your unique six-digit port of pin, account number, and a phone number. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it, and we will catch you in the next video.